This is the instructional video for the flower song. Together. I'm going to go to rest position with my violin under my right arm. My bow is also in my right hand. Feet together. Step 1. Try that again. Step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Step 4. Step 5. Step 6. Step 7. Step 8. Okay, now you're going to do your left hand setup. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Banana, thumb, strum, strum. Get your bow on the string. Get your bow hold ready. Bring up your elbow and drop your elbow. Let's try a Mississippi stop stop on each string. Ready? Open and close the gate to make Mississippi stop stop. Just like Miss Morris. My turn. 1, 2, your turn. I'm going to raise my elbow. Remember, I'm not doing this. Raise my whole arm. My turn. 1, 2, your turn. Great work. I'm going to do Mississippi stop stop on the E. My elbow goes down. 1, 2, my turn. Mississippi stop stop. Raise my elbow. I'm going to do it on the A. 1, 2, my turn. Mississippi stop stop. Now I'm going to drop down to the E and we'll play my turn, your turn. Are you ready? My turn. 1, 2, ready, go. Mississippi stop stop. 1, 2, your turn. Now we're going to raise our elbow up to the A. My turn. Mississippi stop stop. Oh, I didn't count myself off. Let me try that again. 1, 2, my turn. Mississippi stop stop. 1, 2, your turn. Great work. We need a break. Go ahead and put your instrument down into rest position and close your feet. How about we add one more thing? Can you put your finger down? Can you put your finger down? In left hand position, can you put your finger down? So there's a couple things to remember when you're putting your finger down. When you put your finger down, you want to make sure it's all the way down. So if I just lightly touch the instrument and the string, it won't sound good. So I have to put the finger all the way down without squeezing. Let's try it. I'm in rest position. My violin's under my right arm. I've got my bow hanging down by my ankle. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8, left hand setup. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tap your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Banana, thumb, strum, strum. Get your bow on the E string, which is the highest string. Lift up your elbow just slightly away from your body. And you shouldn't feel any tension right here. You should just have your arm just raised slightly away from your body. We're going to play Mississippi stop stop on E. My turn. Then I'm going to put my first finger down. This is also my turn. Then I'm going to pick up my finger and play the E again. And then I'm going to raise my elbow and play the A. Okay, so I played Mississippi Stop Stop on each note, and did you know that I just played a song? Isn't that cool? My first finger was a little out of tune. That's okay. Yours will be too the first time. So I'm gonna play it on the piano so you can hear what it sounds like. So we're gonna play E, F sharp, E, and then we're gonna go down to the A. Listen again. Oops. Try that again. F sharp. Sometimes our fingers slip, and that is okay. Okay, so that song is called All the Pretty Flowers, and it goes like this. I don't know if I can sing it this high, but we're gonna try it. All the pretty flowers. Can't sing it now. Let's try it. All the pretty flowers growing in the garden, all the pretty flowers, red and pink and purple. Do you think you could memorize those words? Let's try it again. Just saying it. All the pretty flowers growing in the garden, all the pretty flowers, red and pink and purple. Your turn, my turn. Nope. My turn, your turn. All the pretty flowers growing in the garden, all the pretty flowers, red and pink and purple. Great work. Now let's practice the flower song. Together, we're going to be sideways, and we're going to be in rest position with both hands down. And we're going to do zip step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6, step 7, step 8. Good job. And then we're going to do our left hand setup. Get our left hand ready. And we're going to put our bow on the E string. I know that it's really low, but please make sure you're in control of your elbow. And halfway point right at the end of the fingerboard. And I'm going to play the flower song for you, and then we'll do it together twice. 1, 2, here we go. Great job. Now we're going to do E, F sharp by putting our finger down, E, and then A. Ready? 1, 2, with me. F sharp, E, A. And remember, to get to the A, we just lift up our elbow. Okay? Okay. And we get to do it one more time. 1, 2, set your bow. Great work. So it's 8th, 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 quarter, quarter. Great. The next song is the monkey song, and it will be coming soon.